BareRose Garage's shop tip of the day, how to check these ball joints on an old classic car. This is a 1958 Ford 300. You see that flat spot right there on the spindle here? And this flat spot here up on the frame spring pocket? What you do is you get you a bar, kind of like this pry bar, stick it right up there on both those flat spots, and give it a wiggle. Nothing, she's good and tight. What I'm looking for there is any movement in the ball joint here. If it's going ka-chunk, 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 I know it's bad. Again, down here on the bottom, you're doing the exact same thing. There's a flat spot right in here on the backing plate. Stick your bar up in there, pry on it up and down, and if you see that ball joint going ka-chunk, 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 you know it's time to change it. Hope that helps.